Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to sync beat with video in Capcut. First, open the Capcut application on your device and tap to create a brand new project. Next, import all the video clips you wish to use, along with your chosen audio track. Once imported, drag and drop your video footage onto the main timeline, followed by your music. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth editing process. Now, let's add the audio and use Capcut's helpful auto beat feature. Tap on your audio track in the timeline to select it. Then, look for the Match Cut option, which is usually represented by a musical note icon. Inside Match Cut, you will find the Auto Generate button. Tapping this will automatically place yellow beat markers along your audio, making the syncing process much easier. While Auto Generate is great, sometimes manual adjustments are necessary for perfect synchronization. You can tap on any existing yellow beat marker to delete it, or tap anywhere on the audio waveform to add a new one. Drag the playhead to the exact beat you want, then tap Add Beat. Now, trim and split your video clips to align perfectly with these beat markers, creating dynamic transitions. With your video clips synced to the beat, it's time for final refinements. Play through your entire project to ensure every cut and transition aligns perfectly with the music's rhythm. Consider adding subtle effects or transitions that complement the beat for an even more polished look. Once satisfied, tap the Export button, usually located in the top right corner, and choose your desired resolution, like 1080 pixels, to save your amazing creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.